If you need to check the inventory of a store in SAP, there is the MB52 transaction, which gives you all the details for that store of the items that are currently in stock. However, you might get this kind of view, which is a bit inconvenient because, for example, when you try to save it as a TXT file, it gives you a format that isn't really very practical to use later on, for example with Excel. What you can do, see, this is the layout, which isn't exactly the most convenient. What you can do is simply exit the transaction and select that checkbox there to change the type of output layout. And there you go, you can have your layout in a tabular form with the various columns and export it in a practical way as a TXT or as an Excel file, whichever you prefer, so you can then work with it as usual. Here's another tip for SAP. Bye.